All right, this is gonna be a cold start. We have not started this vehicle in about 4 days. So this is gonna be a true cold start. Looks like we have an error for turn signal reflector. That's going to be the light built in to there. And pop the engine bay so you can hear it running cold. This is the light that is malfunctioning. I will demonstrate. Blinkers on. It should be running across the whole van there, so. The weather's been nasty here in Atlanta for the past few days. Car's wet, sorry about that. Yeah, cold start. Engine's ice cold right now. He's very happy though. Car does not sag after sitting for a few days either. We had a couple 9-degree days here recently and the car was still sitting at stock height, which is very nice to see. All right, I'm gonna let the engine get warm and I will be doing a driving video.